Stop. Okay, I've got the video back on because I want you to hear the birds out here. You hear that? But it stopped. There we go. Okay, this is called a cinnamon fern. I just learned that because this preserve gives us signs telling us what's what. Let's see if we can see that bird that's singing. I have them in my yard and they're teeny weeny. You wouldn't know it, judged by their call, but they are teeny weeny.
Yeah, let's go down Turkey Trail.
Let's see if we can see it. Oh, wait.
It's right there.
There's a cardinal up there. I don't know if you can see. I can't see it right now. Where are you, birdie? There you are. I don't know if you can see it. It's way in there. Anyway. Okay, we're going to give this a rest. Be back soon, folks. Here, I just want to show you something. This log-looking thing on the ground is actually a root that is coming up into what wanted to be a cabbage palm, but for some reason it stopped growing, and it's now something to look at. So, there. Turtle. Okay. I don't know if you can see this because I can barely see, but there's our burrowing tortoise. He came out of his shell, or out of his home, and now he's moving about. And check out the sidewalk here. See all the leaf impressions? Those just fell naturally and made their little decorative imprint when they were pouring the concrete here. Here's his home. That's his burrow. I hope you can see that. And here he comes. He's coming to visit. Hi, guy. And there he goes. Oh, he's got himself something to eat. Must be lunchtime.
They're carnivorous.
And there he goes. Well, maybe not. Maybe he's just posing for us. Let's move and let him go about his business. Here he goes.
Backyard.
Can you see all the stuffed birds that are on this tree inside the environmental center? These are birds that are native to Florida that we see in our backyards. And they're pretty cool. They're better when they're alive, though. And there's a little bear. Now we're taking a little walk around the environmental center. There's some flowers and I hear running water. So we're going to check that out. And here's a nice little sit down and cool yourself off area. Sorry for the bumpiness. I'm working on wraps. And here we're coming up, Christopher. Here we're coming up to the water area. It's a cage of some sort. I don't know what lives in there.
It's a bird cage.
Christopher, stop walking in front of the camera. Here's our water feature. We have little picnic areas out here.
Yeah, why does it look like this in our yard?
They give educational workshops out here occasionally for the kids.
They bring them out here too.
Check out these benches that are made out of tree trunks. Isn't that cool? That is a good use of our natural resources. Why throw it away when you can make something useful out of it?